Here's how you guys can make passive income using ChatGPT. So guys, making passive income using ChatGPT can be a profitable way to generate a consistent stream of income. That's what we all want, right? And with the right management, tools, and content creation, you guys can create a passive income stream by either selling chatbots or providing social media management services. For instance, one of the best ways to make and generate passive income using ChatGPT and artificial intelligence is by creating social media posts. They're an excellent way to make money using the ChatGPT technology, as they require minimal effort and can be a very highly effective way in driving traffic and sales. Plus, using ChatGPT is an easy way to quickly generate quality content in just a couple of minutes, while free AI content generators can be used to create video scripts and even other unique content ideas, guys. The ChatGPT platform enables users to create and deploy natural language processing, which is short for NLP. It's using scripts to generate responses within social media channels like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And with ChatGPT, users can easily access and create scripts that respond to questions or even comments posted by their followers on social media platforms. Everybody, you also should know this: the responses generated by the chatbot will be tailored to the user's needs. It just makes it easier for you guys to interact with your audience, which is the most important part, your audience. And additionally, users can also open up ChatGPT and use it to new ways to create podcasts and monetize them through their listeners. To do this though, you have to create an account on OpenAI and then set up your own chatbot and things like that. So once a chatbot is in place, users can then use it to generate passive income. You can offer services, customer service like contextual advertisements to clients all over the world. That's the best way you guys can make passive money, passive income online. Who knows, this passive income source can even bring you in a couple $100s a day. And that would be actually a pretty good start. And this will enable you guys to earn money from usage fees, as well as other ad revenue generated by the chatbot's publishers. I also want to get into this, everybody. Users can also develop personal assistants for customers through ChatGPT. It's another way to generate even more passive income. Now, finally, there are various sources available online to teach people how to make money using ChatGPT, and 800 plus chatbot developers that are willing to help anyone who needs assistance in this in creating the monetizing bots. For instance, folks, with the right knowledge and resources available at your disposal, anything is possible. You too can use ChatGPT to generate a steady stream of passive income. Now, first of all, this strategy is to create custom workouts with popular questions and use an email marketing platform that many people use just to send these things out. You want to get your name out there and you want to get things out there as fast as possible. That's a good method. So you could also create tutorials on popular topics like writing or even coding and post them on educational websites. There are a ton of educational websites out there that you can easily start monetizing your brand and start monetizing the content you create. And second of all, you could even use affiliate links and direct people to sites like Udemy, where they even need more information. These affiliate links are very profitable and can even scale up to money that you've never even seen before. It's a great start and a great way to make passive income. Use the affiliate links and direct people to the sites to generate even more income. Now, you can also charge a fee for your marketing services or even create a chatbot that helps people find answers they need quickly. So you should probably start offering your own courses on websites like Skillshare, Synthesia, and even Udemy. Offer services that are related to the course like consultations or webinars. And create an online course, everybody, using some of the ChatGPT components and list on the platforms to get paid on Udemy or even other websites out there. Because we all know that passive income is defined as an income that's received regularly with like little to no effort or even effort required to maintain it. So guys, this type of income is the dream of many individuals, but just know it's very possible to create this financial freedom and stability without even having to work for it. With the advancement of technology, it's now possible to use ChatGPT to make a ton of passive income. Now, as I mentioned earlier in this video, affiliate marketing is the process of promoting products, and great way to even start doing this and making passive income with ChatGPT is through online affiliate marketing. It's like earning a commission for every sale you make through a unique referral link. To get started with affiliate marketing, you need to choose your products and services that you believe in and that align with your personal values. You can promote these services and products through even your social media accounts, websites, or even blogs. Just be sure to leverage the power of ChatGPT and you can automate this process and generate sales even when you guys sleep. And to add on to information about the chatbots that I was discussing, well, chatbots are computer programs and they're designed to interact with humans in a conversational manner. It can be integrated with the personal various platforms like websites, your own website, your own apps, and even messaging platforms. Using ChatGPT, you can create a chatbot that can handle this. There's also something like the language translation services. It's an easy way to start making passive income. Because with the rise of globalization, the demand for language translation services is on the rise. Using ChatGPT can offer high-quality language translation, and these are great for services where there's a need for human translators. Now, to create a chatbot using ChatGPT, one needs to have at least some knowledge of the programming and be able to integrate the chatbot into a platform. There are several ways to do this, including using platforms like Dialogflow, or BotPress, which allows for easy integration of the chatbot into various platforms. So guys, these platforms are also providing tools for creating and managing the chatbot. It just makes it easier for those who are not familiar with the programming to get things rolling, get things started. And once the chatbot is integrated into the platform, it can be used to provide helpful info, answer questions, generate income, etc. The chatbot can be integrated into a website that sells products, and it can provide information on the products without even asking and charging a fee for the chatbot services. It's because AI technology has advanced to the point where it can be used to create all of these things, and which can be generated into websites, mobile apps, and messaging platforms. But when I was discussing about the AI creating a mobile app, well, the app could be designed to provide information and answer questions, and it could be monetized to in-app advertisements or by charging a fee for its services. But here's like some rapid-fire ways to create passive income using ChatGPT and other artificial intelligence. There's a variety of ways to make money using AI, and the most popular options are things like developing AI products. That's going to be number one. You could develop AI-based products, services that can be sold everywhere around the world, and examples include the chatbots like I was talking about, the facial recognition software, and automated customer service system. Now, investing in AI-related stocks is another way. Invest in the companies that are developing and utilizing this AI technology, because eventually this will take over the world. You can then trade AI-based algorithms. You can create and trade AI-based algorithms on financial markets. That's another great way to create passive income. Consulting is another service that's related to this AI technology. Freelancing, you can freelance services related to AI like data analysis, natural learning processing, and machine learning as well. It can handle pretty much everything, every customer service inquiry. It's a great way to get started and help out the customers and provide value to those in need. So start by researching the different types of ChatGPT available and decide which one is best for you. Give it some time, you'll be able to make passive income online. Now, if you want more videos like this, be sure to subscribe.